Now he's gone. Mr. Cardinal was there this morning, but now he's gone.
What? Don't get that close. He won't come back.
He'll come back.
Today I'll do... Well, film us before school. Before school, and then you'll see after school. Before school.
That was flattering. Sit down and eat, dude. Right now.
Show everybody my new backpack.
Oh my gosh. New backpack. I don't know if I can even see it here. Ooh.
Yeah, boy. People, this is us before school. You'll see us late after school later.
Yeah, you won't see me this morning. You'll see me after school. Failed dove's sitting in the fence. I don't know if I can pan in. You can see him. Come on. Okay, fine.
I want to tell them something. Sorry, I'm a girl.
Hang on. What? Did you forget already?
Oh. We got my grandma. She had a backpack that Donnie was using, and it had something awesome in it. They're old, but they still taste delicious. I tried one. The blues are mine.
Yeah, I tried one yesterday. No, the blues
The
are not
greens
yours.
are mine.
What did you do your forehead?
I love green apple. The greens are mine.
Oh, bite.
All mine. Ha 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 ha.
Green apple, Donnie?
Yeah, green apple is mine.
Come on, you stinking bird. Come back. Sky looks beautiful this morning.
I want to show them my injury.
Your little tiny paper cut? No.
I can't bend my finger.
That's because you have... Oh, there he is. He's up in the tree. Come on. Come down here, buddy.
Where?
Those are two of them? Oh, there's two of them.
What?
Yeah.
Maybe they're mating.
No.
They're boys.
Female males mate with each other. Oh, that might be the girl. I can't tell. Oh, no, that is...
Mom thinks it's
That's a
the
boy.
kid.
Like a son?
Uh-huh.
Huh. Come on, guys. Come down from the tree.
Where?
Up in the tree, right over here. Oh my gosh, I think I see three of them. There are three of them. Holy cow.
I can only see one.
It's really hard to see them in the tree. Come on, guys. Come down here. Stop moving.
Come on, guys. You gotta get ready.
Yeah, go
for
eat.
school.
Let's go.
You distracted me.
Come on. Not gonna cooperate. Come on, guys. Come out of the tree. Yeah, there's three of them I see right now.
Say hi to my thumb. That's bleeding.
Put the raspberry in your mouth. You still have cereal to eat.
Here, baby.
You're just gonna come out of the tree or what? There's no doves down there and no doves anywhere, so come eat.
There's one dove right there.
Where? Oh. Huh. One lonely dove sitting on the fence.
Right there.
Come on,
Hey,
guys.
that's a dove.
Come out of the tree.
Is that all this video is going to
Do
be
you know
about?
that?
Huh?
You know, don't eat it like that. You know, once I sting and turn this stupid thing off, it's gonna come flying down.